Hello viewers. Welcome to our YouTube channel Everything About Accounting. If you want to learn accounting easy and simple way, you are in the right place. In this video, we will learn what is the difference between cash book and cash account. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for getting the regular updates about accounting videos. So, let's get started. What is the difference between cash book and cash account? The cash book and the cash account record the cash transaction of the organization. Although the cash book and cash account seem to be the same thing, there are considerable differences between them in practical terms. It is discussed below. 1. The book of accounts, in which cash, bank, and discount transactions are recorded in chronological order under the heading cash book, is called cash book, while all cash transactions are recorded in chronological order under the heading cash account, called the cash account. 2. The cash book is called a journalized ledger, while a cash account is called a ledger account as it contains the characteristics of a ledger. 3. In addition to cash accounts, the cash book also includes bank accounts and discount accounts, while cash accounts do not include accounts other than cash transactions. 4. There are 7 columns on both sides of the treble column cash book for a total of 14 columns, while, according to the cash account, there are 4 columns on each side for a total of 8 columns. 5. It is good to be able to explain the transactions recorded in the cash book, but it is not mandatory. While it is not necessary to explain that since the cash account transferred directly from the journal. 6. The journal page is not written in the cash book, while the journal page is written as a cash account. 7. Creating cash books saves the organization time. Since the cash book is considered as a journal, there is no need to record the journal separately, while the organization has to spend time and labor in preparing cash accounts because the accounts are recorded under a separate heading for each cash transaction. 8. We can know the amount of cash receipt and payment of the organization, the amount of receipt and payment of the bank, etc. from the cash book, while we can only know the cash receipts and payments from the cash accounts. 9. The cash column of the cash book always shows the debit balance. Sometimes it can show zero balance, but it can never show a credit balance. However, here the bank column can disclose debit or credit balance, while the cash account shows the debit or zero balance. From the above discussion, we can say that a cash book is an alternative to a cash account, but a cash account is not an alternative to a cash book, because if you prepare a cash book, you don't have to prepare a cash account, but if you prepare a cash account, you have to prepare a cash book because it remains a banking column activity. At the end of the video, I think you're clear about what is the difference between cash book and cash account. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and share. Thanks for watching.